Good morning to all of you. As you know, in this pandemic, you are not allowed to go out, only study online through means through the this using your mobile laptops etc. But you are not supposed to play in your mobile laptop because there are so many games installed in your mobile and laptop also. But I suggest, because you are in class 10, you have to do the practice, and if you will do the efforts, then our efforts means teachers effort will be fruitful. Otherwise there's no meaning that we are taking the class, because 25% syllabus has been reduced. Therefore, as I suppose that the board exams will be held in the same timing, means in the last week of February or in the month of March, first week of March it will start. That is why you have the limited time to have the means to get the this preparation for you. And there are the 10 subjects. You have to give the equal times in all the subjects, because you are now at your home. Therefore you have the sufficient time. You are not going to be ready for the school, that is the tiredness or anything, no summer, no winter, no like this. So you have the sufficient time for this board examination. So I suggest that you do the practice to get the more marks. If any clarification in your subjects, any subject, then you can send the message through WhatsApp, or you can call to your concerned teacher, and teacher will tell this, because I'm also in this stage that if anybody calls me, then I tell. So in this video I will continue the chapter 7, ratio and proportion, exercise 7.2, and the last 4 questions based on continued proportion. question 21, 22, 23. The question number 20, given the x, y, z, means 3 terms are in continued proportion. 21, 22 also, means these 3 questions are of same type. If the 3 terms are in continued proportion, what you have to do? And the 23rd, when the 4 terms are in continued proportion, then what you have to do? So I will tell you the types. First 20, if x, y, z are in continued proportion, then show that x plus y upon y plus z whole square is equal to x upon z. This you have to show. How to show if these numbers are in continued proportion? Proof. If you have the 3 numbers in continued proportion, there are 2 methods. What method you prefer? that this depends on you, but I will tell both the methods. X, Y, Z are in continued proportion. I told you in the previous video that X upon Y is equal to Y upon Z. This is the meaning of continued proportion. The first method, you can let this is equal to K method जो अभी तक चल रहा है. And second method, if you multiply, cross multiplication, you will get X, Y square is equal to XZ. In this case, you have to find the one variable in terms of the last variable. मतलब Y is equal to ZK you can write. X is equal to YK you can write. But Y is equal to ZK if you put here in this case from this equation to this equation. Y is equal to ZK you put here, what you will get? ZK into K मतलब ZK square. तो अब इसे नहीं यूज करना है. You will use the value of X as ZK square and value of Y as ZK. Clear? Yes. But in this case, when you multiply directly these two, you will use in place of y square xz. जहां जहां पे y square हो वहां xz पुट कर दे आ जाएगा. But if there is y odd power, then that will be difficult, some difficulty, but answer will come. So the method which we apply, this is the method. You can apply that method also. But prove that both sides are equal. Now I am going to apply, you note down this method. Y is equal to ZK and X is equal to ZK square. I will apply here. In the left hand side, X plus Y whole square, Y plus Z whole square. So X is equal to ZK square, Y is equal to ZK, clear? Whole upon ZK plus Z whole square. Now can you take common anything from numerator and denominator? Z inside the bracket. If you put the big bracket, Z is common, K is common. So ZK is common and what you will have? K plus 1 inside the bracket. And then whole square. क्योंकि अभी ये स्क्वायर तुम्हारा पूरे में है. In this case also Z and K plus 1. Then whole square. अब स्क्वायर को अंदर करें तो ये क्या हो जाएगा? जेड स्क्वायर के स्क्वायर एंड के प्लस 1 होल स्क्वायर. ओके, तो जेड स्क्वायर के प्लस 1 होल स्क्वायर डिवाइडेड बाई जेड स्क्वायर के प्लस 1 होल स्क्वायर. अब ये वैल्यू जेड स्क्वायर व्हाट यू हैव? के स्क्वायर. Now this is the left hand side. In right hand side, what do you have? Right hand side. X upon Z. In place of X, put the Z K square upon Z. Z cancel, K square. Can you see these two are equal? Yes. The left hand side is equal to right hand side. By this way you can find. Similarly, 21 in 22. Again the A, B, C are in continued proportion. It is given. Then find the proof that the parts. First I will write here solution. If a b c are in continued proportion, so b upon c, let this is equal to k. तो what is the b is equal to c k, वही चीज है, और a is equal to b k. You put the value of b, means this c k in place of b here. So what you will have, a is equal to c k into k, means c k square. Now you will not use this value, only b is equal to c k and a is equal to c k square. Any part of this you can now note down. The one part I will do here, like fourth part. There is a negative power a square b square c square minus 4 minus 4 minus 4 is equal to b to the power minus 2 and a to the power 4 plus b to the power 4 plus c. This is the part 4 of the question number 22. You have to show the left hand is equal to, or just I have told you the what values of a b c you will put. So in place of a, c k square, and in place of b, c k you have to put. So left hand side, in this only you will write the expression, this part up to here. Then you will put, first you will change this negative power in the positive power. ये तो रूल भी होता है एक्सपोनेंट का कि जब भी पावर हो तो उसे तुम पॉजिटिव में चेंज करो. ओके, नाउ पुट द वैल्यू ऑफ a एंड b, नॉट c. c itself is c. c k square whole square, c k whole square, c square, c k square whole power 4, this way. Then simplify c square k to the power 4, c square k square c square, c to the power 4 k to the power 8, c to the power 4 k to the power 4, 1 upon c to the power 4. Yes. Then which number terms you can take common from that side, and you can multiply this one, c to the power 6 and k to the power 6. And which term is common? That is c to the power 4. But before yes, okay, so what you will have, 1 upon k to the power 8, 1 upon k to the power 4 and plus 1. Clear? Now take LCM inside the bracket, और जो भी यहाँ कैंसिल हो रहा हो तो ऊपर c स्क्वायर बचे k to the power 6 because 6 minus 4, and the LCM, after taking the LCM you will have like this, upon k to the power 8, because k to the power 8 is the LCM. K to the power 8, k to the power 6, can you cancel? Yes, and you can write like this. This is the simplest form of the left hand side. Okay, now thereafter you cannot simplify. Now the right hand side, what is the right hand side? B to the power minus 2, so 1 upon b square, a to the power 4, b to the power 4, c to the power 4. Put the value c square k square, because ck whole square we can write directly, a to the power 4 ck square whole square, ck whole power 4 plus c to the power 4. Now simplify more, तो 1 upon c square k square, c square k to the power 4, c It is 4, sorry. C to the power 4, K to the power 8, and then K to the power 4 plus C to the power 4. Anything is common? Yes. C to the power 4 is common upon C square K square. What you will have inside the bracket? Only the same part as you have in the left hand side. And this one 4 minus 2, that is C square by K square. It is understood that the C square subtracted from this power. This is the same as left hand side. Proved. So by this way you can prove. Now the next one is 4 term. If you have 4 terms in continued proportion, before that I fill the ink in this pen. This is the temporary marker, not the permanent marker, and we use the white bold to explain everything, that you feel this is like a class. So the 23rd question, number 23rd, if A, B, C, D are in continued proportion, जितना हम लिखते हैं क्या उतना तुम लोग लिखते हो? Because I'm not there that to see what you are writing, but you have to prepare your copy accordingly. You have, because any time the message will come to submit your copy. When the message come, then you have to submit. But according to message, क्योंकि मैसेज में लिखा होगा कि विच सब्जेक्ट यू हैव टू सबमिट इन द स्कूल, नॉट एट टू एनी टीचर, इन द स्कूल, एंड फ्रॉम द स्कूल यू हैव टू कलेक्ट. देयरफॉर बी प्रिपेयर एंड अप टू डेट योर कॉपी. If A, B, C, D are in continued proportion, so A upon B is equal to B upon C, but one more C upon D. अभी तक क्या था? यहां तक था. Is equal to K. Let. अब ये क्वेश्चन का सॉल्यूशन शुरू हुआ यहां से. C is equal to DK, B is equal to CK and A is equal to BK. भाई ये ऐसे in terms of K. C is equal to dk, you put here what you will get, dk into k, मतलब dk square, and b is equal to dk square you put here, so what you will get, dk cube, क्योंकि एक k ये भी. Now you will not use this part, you will use c is equal to dk, b is equal to dk square and a in one term only, d last term. Clear? Now come to the part, any part, but no need to do the last part of the question, because this fifth part is easy but very lengthy. तो उसको थोड़ा सा अगर अवॉइड भी करेंगे तो चलेगा, कोई दिक्कत नहीं है. इतने बड़े क्वेश्चन आते नहीं है इन द एग्जामिनेशन. तो वन पार्ट आई टेल यू इन दिस third part of the question, same question 23, third part, ये जो फॉर्म है थर्ड पार्ट. A plus D, B plus C, minus A plus C, B plus D is equal to B minus C whole square. तो लेफ्ट हैंड साइड it is proved that put the value of ABC means A means dk cube, D means D, B means dk square, C means dk. ओके क्रूज, क्योंकि ये टू टर्म्स एक साथ माइनस सिमिलरली A मीन्स dk क्यूब, C मीन्स dk इंटू B मीन्स, इसको थोड़ा इधर लिखे दे रहे हैं, इंटू ए इसके साथ, B मीन्स dk स्क्वायर प्लस d. Now d is common in this bracket, plus 1, dk is common in this bracket, तो k plus 1 minus dk is common, k square plus 1 into d is common, k square plus 1. अब d into d into k d square k cube plus 1 k plus 1 minus d square k square plus 1 into k square plus 1. Just simplification. D square k in both the parts, so you can write, you can take common and multiply these two. So k to the power 4 plus k cube plus k and plus 1 minus, multiply these two, k to the power 4 2k स्क्वायर, माइनस साइन है ना तो सब माइनस हो जाएगा, माइनस 1, जो कट रहा हो k स्क्वायर k to the power 4 1 and 1. ओके then what you'll have, d square k cube minus 2k square and plus k. This term you'll have in the left hand side. Now what is common? K is common, तो k यहाँ multiply हो जाएगा, k square minus 2k plus 1. Okay, and just you know this is the k minus 1 whole square. This is the last, this is the simplest form of the left hand side. Now the right hand side, b minus c whole square, put the value again, dk square minus dk and whole square. Simple way, just how to take common, use big bracket और इसके अंदर ही कॉमन लें, dk is common, तो यहाँ क्या बचा k और यहाँ 1 and big bracket whole square. Then square you multiply in this all the terms, तो d square k square and k minus 1 whole square. You can see the left hand side and right hand side both are same. By this top question we have finished the exercise 7.2, and in the next video I will start the 7.3 componendo and dividendo. So all the best for today. Thank you.